This is your company dashboard page. So each conference can have its own dashboard interface, and then your company dashboard is shared across your entire company. And you can put links like for your email servers or any advertising analytics, anything you need you can put in here, and you'll be able to see it across your entire company. Just a good place to put quick links so you can share them. Now your registration overview. If you have registration with us, you'll get this overview that'll tell you your registration percentage and then your goal that you set into the system. And then your additional items. So any additional items you put in here, like workshops or banquet tickets or excursions, you can have automatically show up on this dashboard. And then your abstracts. So it depends on how you use our abstract system. If you have abstracts first, then registration later, or abstract and registration at the same time, you'll get different interfaces for this. And then the bottom part of the dashboard. So this is where you'll get your counts, your registration counts, your abstract counts, and then you can see year over year data. So if I click multiple, I'll be able to see a nice chart for year over year. This is another breakdown of I want a money chart, I want a monthly chart, and anytime you click on these, they all pop up as high resolution images. So you can see if I zoom in, they're high resolution. That way you can make PowerPoints out of these if you need to. If you have just abstracts with us, then your interface is just abstracts. So it keeps the interface simple. That way you have a nice dashboard.